Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Subscribe to a reputable paid VPN, install its app, and sign in. Once done, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your identity won't leak if the connection drops. Now pick a nearby server in a jurisdiction that permits access to stake and connect. Make sure the app reports a secure tunnel before proceeding. This reduces latency and keeps your session private, which is essential for reliable access and safety. Next, configure the advanced settings to optimize performance and privacy. Choose a modern protocol such as WireGuard or OpenVPN for speed and stability, then run a quick speed test. Enable split tunneling to route only the stake app or browser through the VPN while keeping other traffic direct. Also disable device location services and clear cookies and local storage to avoid leaks. Finally, verify your public IP and DNS reflect the VPN server. If they do, you're ready to log in. Now complete the final steps. With the VPN active and your IP matching the permitted region, open stake and log in. Use the same payment method you usually do and avoid switching VPN servers during a transaction. Consistency reduces flags. While playing, keep the kill switch on and monitor connection stability. If the site blocks access, first reconnect to a different nearby server and clear the cache. If that fails, contact your VPN support for a dedicated streaming or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.